Okay, guys. This is wood smashing wood with a sledgehammer. So I'm recording this video at 60 frames per second so that it's smoother slow-mos for the destruction. So let's get started with our first hit. I'll hit it at normal speed, then slow-mo. So let's get started with hit number 1. Okay, we're back for hit number 2. Okay, so this is the third and final one. This will end it. Okay, guys. Okay, we're back for smashing this bit. Okay, guys. Gosh, that knocked the stand over. Okay, this one's a bit thinner. It's over a wider distance, but I think this is hardwood. So let's go number 1, like last time. Then we'll roll with slow-mo. Gosh, that flew and hit the camera. Got a little crack in it. Okay, let's go for number 2. That snapped in half, and again hit the tripod. Poor tripod. But yeah, cracked in half. Let's smash up these 2 halves. I'm recording with a ultra durable camera, Fujifilm X-P80. They're ultra durable cameras. So yeah, hopefully it'll be okay. Well, that missed. I hope you like the quality of this video. You stupid bit of wood almost killing my camera! There we go. Now for this one. That just bounced and fell off. Come on, you tough wood. Okay. I'll probably just after I finish hammering these. Do a slow-mo, but yeah. See if I can find any more wood. Found this bit of board. This might be interesting. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this short little video. It might be quite a long one actually, but yeah. Hope you enjoyed it. See ya in the next video.